Hey, Social Work 501 classmates. My name is Penn Shelton. I live in Los Angeles and I'm 30 years old. This is my second class at Widener, and many of your names are unfamiliar to me, so it's great to meet you and I look forward to doing class with you all. My history is that I used to be a drug addict and alcoholic, and almost 7 years ago I got clean through treatment, and ever since then I've had a desire and a passion to help others the way that I was able to be helped. I went back to school and finished my bachelor's in psychology as well as becoming a certified drug and alcohol counselor. I've worked in the field for a few years in different treatment settings, but about 3 years ago, I got a job at a detox and residential program in Beverly Hills. I spent about 2 years in the operations and management side, building teams, training staff, and developing the program. And it was fulfilling. I found it enjoyable, and I think I was pretty good at it, but it did not have the same passion or nearly as fulfilling as doing individual and group work. So I was able to transfer within the company back to the clinical department and work as a case manager for the better part of the last year, developing clinical programming, running groups, and working with individuals in case management and clinical needs and counseling. It gives me great pleasure and passion to work with alcoholics and addicts and people with different mental health issues. I really enjoy clinical contact. And at this point in my life, I decided to go back to grad school to become better equipped to be helpful to people, to get the knowledge and skills necessary to operate at a higher clinical level and be a better service provider. So I'm looking forward to learning more about the foundations of social work, and I'll see you guys in the discussion forums. Take care.